3.
Hey honey, TXPepito here with the packages. They came in the other day and I was gonna say thank you, I appreciate it sending these to me. I believe I won these in a contest, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up and see what's in them. Gonna pull out my handy dandy box cutter. Give me 1 second. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. Give me a little box cutter right here. See what these got inside. I'm excited. See what kind of gift we got. It's cold down here in Texas. I'm gonna say it's about 20 something degrees, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
20.
20 something. So
The high.
the high today. So we're kind of panicking, not sure what to do. First time in a long time that's been this cold. So feel free to let us know if you have experience in this cold weather, what to do. Went outside, covered up some sprinklers, things like that. All right, first off, we got the packaging. All right, has special things there. And look at this right here. Look at this. This is amazing. Woo! I will put these to use, let me tell you. Wow, look at that. The Beach Life. Look how pretty those look. Yep. I'm definitely gonna use these. Man, got one right there. Set that right there. Oh, got another one right here. 2 for the set, for my collection. Cause you know, we all collect something and I collect glasses. So I got the second one right there. Oh, nice little collection. Go ahead and check the box to make sure there's nothing else. Nope, nothing here. Thanks, honey, appreciate it. Gonna use those for sure. And I got this big bad boy right here. See what's going on. I already checked it to see if there's any anything explicit or narcotic in here. If it's not, I'm good. We're good. So I'm just going to open this up. Man, let me tell you, I need some muscles for this one. All right, got a little package slip right there. Move to the side. Open this up. Open this other one up. Oh, there it is. There it is. Let me see. Oh yeah, little pint glass. Wow. Hashtag beach bum. Look at that. That is awesome. Nice, sturdy, good, strong glass. Like this, good job on that. Appreciate it. But look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and sit one on each side. Man, honey, I appreciate it. I appreciate it sending that to me. Love them. I'm gonna put them to use. And I'll see you on Wednesday. I think you're moving now to Friday for a little bit, but you know, I'll catch you on Facebook. And like the glass says, hashtag beach bums. See ya later.